Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the Bionator, a functional orthodontic appliance used in growing patient. The Bionator is a removable functional appliance introduced by doctors and it is designed to modify jaw growth and improve muscle function, mainly using class 2 manipulation. Components are consist of acrylic body, label bow for retention, lingual wires, sometimes expansion screws or springs, and its design is light and allows more natural bone function. There are three main types of bionator. First one, standard bionator, which is used for in case of class 2 correction. Reverse bionator for class 3 cases and open bite bionator for vertical discrepancy. So the indications of bionator are, it is indicated in case of growing patients, class 2 malocclusion due to mandibular erosion, mild to moderate skeletal discrepancies. And coming to the mechanism of action, according to writers, the equilibrium between the tongue and the circumoral muscle is responsible for the shape of dental axis and the intercustation. The functional phase for the tongue is essential for the normal development of orofacial system. Posterior displacement of the tongue could cause class 2 malocclusion. And he designed the bionator whereby the mandible was positioned anteriorly with the incisors in an edge-to-edge position. And this forward positioning brought the dorsum of the tongue in contact with the soft palate and helped to accomplish the lip closure. This is the principle of bionator that not to activate the muscle but to modulate the muscle activity, thereby enhancing the normal development of the inherent growth factor and eliminating the abnormal and potentially deforming environmental factors. This is the principle of bionator is not to activate the muscle but to modulate the muscle activity, thereby enhancing the normal development of inherent growth factor and eliminating the abnormal and potentially deforming environmental factors. So, coming to the advantages, some advantages include it is comfortable, lightweight, and allows ease and movement, better patient compliance compared to the bulky appliances. And disadvantages, however, it also has some limitations like it requires good patient cooperation, less effective in non-growing patient, and limited tooth movement control. So, to conclude, the Bionator is an effective functional appliance that utilizes the growth modification and muscle re-education to correct the jaw discrepancies. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you understand the Bionator better.